guys, this is surviving the historic 2026 every decade historic snowstorm.
Don't forget, historic, guys.
A few days ago they said the storm was going to start by now, and it has not, but shit happened. It's going to start within a few hours, so let's go get these fucking orders dropped off. Alright, first one dropped off. I don't got the glasses on, so I wasn't able to film it. On to the next. I was in a dead sleep when I got the first order. I was like, fuck it, you know what? I'm going to do it. I wanted to sleep till 12. I'm like, what's an hour difference? Because last night I got 0 orders between 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. or whatever it was. So I was like, I'm just going to get up an hour early and do this order. So this way, if I'm up at 12 again and I get no orders, at least I got this one. And then I got a second one on the way to Wawa. So let's go drop this last one off, go home, have some coffee, and stay up the next like 5 or so hours and bang out as many orders as I can in the beginning of this snowstorm. Historic 2026, once in a decade snowstorm, as the meteorologists like to say, even though now it's only like 9 inches. It is fucking cold out, man. I got tomorrow's video already uploaded and set to premiere at 7 a.m. That's a good feeling, having tomorrow's video already set to go. At the end of the video, I filmed something inside of Walmart that I thought was pretty cool. I've never seen it before, and I've been through multiple hurricanes, so it was pretty cool for me to see this, honestly. And I added dramatic music to it for effect. I think you guys will find it cool too. My bad, I'm shivering right now. It's fucking cold, my boy. I'm sitting here just realizing this is the first snowstorm this year where they have not salted the roads early. I mean, like, the storm is supposed to start in like 2 hours, and none of the roads are salted, yo. But the last few, they were salting the roads 48 hours in advance, bro. Sometimes multiple times. This is the first one that I'm noticing they haven't even salted yet, and the storm's supposed to start in like 3 to 4 hours. So that's honestly crazy. And then I saw on the News 12 New Jersey, that New Jersey is having like a salt shortage, right? But I would figure that's like New Jersey DOT, like the troopers, all that, like not municipalities, right? I don't know, but it's kind of crazy. I had nothing salted yet, and if that's going to be a sign for how they're going to handle the storm, it's not looking too good. For everyone else, at least. For me, it'll be fine, because I'll make money, and I'm not scared of 10 inches of snow. I'll drive right through that shit like it ain't shit, boy. Other people, they see a half inch of snow, though, and they go crying to Mommy Crate is her name, Mayor. Fucking Lisa Crate. Kind of crazy, though. We're supposed to have, it was forecasted 16 inches just in the last day. And there's no salt yet. Right now it's forecasted from 9 to 12 inches, and there's still no salt. Alright, so it's 12:08 a.m. I got another order. I went back to bed. I was tired and a motherfucker, man. And got another order, and I woke right back up. And this time I'm going to stay up, because I waited up like 20 minutes before and I got nothing. So I was like, you know what, I'm going back to bed. And now that I got another one, I'm like, alright, I'm just going to stay up this time. Still no salting, no salt trucks out, nothing. I haven't seen one. And yeah, this one's paying like almost $8. I made $10 and like 40 cents already, so. Another crazy thing is my car has been off for not even an hour. My car's only been off for like 45 minutes now. And it was completely cold. Like, the gauge was completely cold when I left again. That's how cold it is outside, and that's how fast my car cooled down between the wind blowing heavily and then just being frigid cold. Alright, so I just picked up the order right there. Let's go make this illegal left as soon as there are no cars, and drop this food off. And bang bang. Still no salt trucks. Kind of crazy, man. And I know everyone's going to complain. Me, I could give two shits. I'm actually happy there are no salt trucks, because the less salt on the roads, the better. And maybe the less likely idiots will go out and try to drive it and go to stores and go to restaurants. No reason for them to be on the road, right? Unless they're working. That's it. Strictly it. And we have a lot of people that get mad because they can't go out. and do whatever the fuck it is they want to do. I mean, you saw the video. If you saw the other video, I mean, the stores are fucking empty. So everyone went out shopping this week. Every single person. And I live in the Northeast Jersey, and meteorologists are saying this is a storm of the century. Go out, get prepared, get everything you need, because you could be without power for 2-3 weeks, just like we saw in February 2021 in Texas and Oklahoma. That's the thing, though. They were talking about Texas and Oklahoma, where the power lines went down and they didn't get put back up for weeks. People went out without power for weeks because they're getting straight ice, rain, ice, which is a lot heavier than snow, and it knocks power lines down a lot easier than snow. And because of that, it'll knock a lot more power lines down, and it'll take a lot longer for them to put it back up, and you'll be without heat some houses and shit. So they were talking about them to get prepared, to stock up on food, kerosene, fuel, gas, generators, shit like that, so you don't have to leave your house, nothing like that. But people up north, I guess, they heard stock up, and like, me too, me stock up too. I stock up now too, okay. And they go to the stores and clear them out like fucking morons. And yet they'll still be out on the roads and shit, so watch. Look at that, Christmas lights still up. I love to see it. Almost February and we still got Christmas lights, man. I love it. Love it, love it. So this house I'm delivering to, I delivered to the other day, and they didn't have Nestle, like his ice cream or whatever, right? And now we went to Wawa, and the other one was a 7-Eleven order. This one's a Wawa order now, and now they don't have his donuts or cookies or whatever. It's kind of crazy, but they put a slip in the bag so he knows, and I didn't have to send him a message. All right, dropped it off at $18.43 now for the day. So counting a few orders I did in this video, I mean. So let's get it. Nice to see everyone's putting their car in the street. I mean, putting their cars in their driveways and taking them out of the street. Like this whole fucking street area that I just showed you had cars in the street, and they're all in their people's driveways now. That's crazy to think about too, because like that proves that people have the room to take their cars out of the street. Like this person, look. They parked on their straight up front yard, bro, to get the car out of their street. That's crazy work. Whew. It is fucking cold out, boys. It's time to pull out in the street real quick. Good, no one's coming. Wow, right through the fucking 10 inches of snow like nothing plows caused. Let's go get to driving. I'm gonna clean this off in a minute. I want to find a flat spot I can get to first. Nice, my vape is soaked. Put this bitch in snow mode, boys. I got a DoorDash, so I'm sort of rushing right now because look at this, man. I'm not getting stuck or nothing. I love it. There's no one behind me. I'm gonna try to clean this off real quick. Grab this.
Man, it is fucking frigid cold out. Holy shit. Let's go make this fucking money, boys. DoorDash is paying $5 extra every order right now. And you know I'm capitalizing on that, and I'm gonna make some fucking money on that. That's crazy. This car behind me is pulling up on me fast, bro. I'm doing 25, and you can hear it. My car is getting like no traction right now. It is now. Actually, it's in snow mode, so it's doing fine now. It took a second though. But I love driving in this snow shit, man. This one isn't plowed. This is gonna be nice. Nice trying to get through this shit, man. Trying to film as much as I can for you guys. My video is already at 9 minutes pre-snow, so wow, dude, this isn't even plowed yet. This is gonna be a crazy day, man. Crazy, crazy video for you guys. Crazy. And before I leave the Wawa, look at that, dude. $10 for another order, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We're adding that. Fuck yeah, man. $20 off 2 orders, man. Awesome. I only got a quarter tank of gas left, so we're gonna have to go take a ride to get some gas too, man. But before I leave the Wawa, I am gonna upload this video. Not upload it. I mean, like upload it to my phone to make sure that the glasses are recording properly. Because last time it snowed out, they wanted to do some fuck shit, right? And because of that, I lost my whole video. So I'm gonna upload it first, make sure it works. Because I was thinking maybe water got into the mic and fucked it up last time when it snowed out, and that's why maybe the mic was messed up. And it's snowing out a lot more this time, so I want to make sure that look at that, man. I want to make sure that the audio quality is good and everything before I keep recording with these glasses. I'm glad I started getting these orders now because it is one, freezing out. Two, my car would have been covered in a lot more snow. But the wind, thank God, the wind is what's keeping my car from getting covered in snow right now. So I didn't have much to clean off because it was so windy out. It's not like it anymore, but we had really bad like blizzard-like conditions before I heard it in my room because I stayed up till like 5 a.m. waiting for orders and orders and nothing came. Look at that, man. Nice sequoia back there. Arrive at the store, and we're gonna see if the put this in park. All right. Oh man, it's cold. All right, so I didn't get it on camera because I was trying to upload the video. It's too long; it won't upload. So I'm just gonna put my trust in these glasses. Dude, I delivered one of them. That's $10, right? Next one I'm doing $10 more, right? I run up to the porch with the lady's stuff, and I got covered in snow because she didn't have the snow shovel. She's like, "You're a sweetheart for coming out here in the snow and delivering that," and handed me a 20, bro. Hell yeah, bro! I just made fucking $40, dude, off 2 deliveries. That is wild, I believe. Wild, bro. Crazy work. So let's get to the other delivery now. I just got stuck too, and I didn't film it. But since I'm a beast at driving in the fucking snow, and I got some experience off-roading, I know how to get out of it without having a shovel. And I just saw someone stuck in their Honda Accord, and they were flooring it in 4 inches of fucking snow, trying to get themselves more stuck. What I do is I put it in reverse the second I started getting stuck in drive, and I just like ABS with the gas to get yourself out of it, and then I back up far enough, then I put it in drive, and I fucking mash that gas, bro, and just boom right out into the street, no problems. You heard me? Oh man, dude. I hope we don't run into problems here. Right here, it's not plowed up here. All right, green light, and they started going good. If I had to stop, I would no, I would have plowed it. It looks like. Make sure I don't go into the other guy's lane. They plowed the other side. It's not this side yet. So I am on that bitch. I'm on that bitch. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. We got it. We got it. And where I'm delivering, this is a daily customer. The lady with the Nissan Maxima who I don't know where it's going with that. But the lady with the Nissan Maxima with the long driveway, that's sort of downhill and uphill if you're leaving. So it's going to be sort of a bitch, and I'm not walking all the way up her non-paved driveway to get in and out. Dude, this is going to suck delivering this one. I already have it in my head that my feet are going to get soaked because I don't have boots on, and I already got them soaked. Yeah, that was going downhill there. I was not trying to slide into that person, but my feet are already soaked. So if I have to run and go and fucking run down her driveway to deliver these, I'm just gonna have to do it, man. I mean, she's only tipping $2 in the fucking snow. DoorDash is the reason why I'm getting paid so much because DoorDash is the one who's paying $5 extra each delivery right now. You see, like I'm already getting stuck over here. I'm not stuck, but enough to where it's a fucking problem, man. Like this is why I wish I had my Trailblazer still. That thing was a fucking beast, my boy. We're gonna straight back into her shit right now. All right, time to lock in, I guess. Oh, this person better not be coming over here. I'm gonna be fucking pissed, bro. Do not block me in, bro. Do not block me in. Do not block me in. Oh, he better not block me in, bro. He's coming in here. You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Come on, bro. $19.50, boy. 39.50 we made on that dash. All right, he's gone. He was backing up. I don't know what he was doing. I think he put it in the mailbox. But he made some indents, so hopefully those ruts help. He's not going to help me get out of here, though. That worked out like perfect timing, bro, because if he didn't move right when he did, because this is like fucking 7 inches of snow right here right now. We're in 7 inches of pure ruts. Not even, yeah, that's like, yeah, easy 7 inches of snow right there. So some areas got like it's crazy because of snow drifts because there's like a wall over there. So the snow just blows all into that back area and raises through us. Like right here, you can see there's a flat spot right here because the wind is just gusting. Cause like I said, blizzard-like conditions and shit. So driving by my boy's house right now. Yeah, see, look, like there's like no snow over here. I guess they salted this area, but I'm gonna turn this video off now because I'm trying to preserve the battery, not ba yeah, battery life and how long the video is gonna be too. So this got stuck right here, bottomed out, bro, because they plowed right up onto my driveway, bro. That was really fun, dude. Let's go get this fucking order done and over with, man. That was really fun. And I was trying not to beat on the car too, so I didn't want to beat on the car. So I wasn't getting out as easy as I should have been, but I was like throttling it like gas, gas, like that. Like I was telling you guys before. Ooh, we're sliding now, boy. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get this order and I'm gonna clean the glasses off because I can't see shit out of them, and I'm already having a hard time seeing out the car as it is. So, all right, so they still haven't come down this road and plowed. It's been 2 hours, and like, bro, it is getting bad. Like, the snow is getting deep. I literally just had a fucking plow truck tailgating me because I had to pull out through a deep ass fucking ruts. Like, this guy's gonna get stuck. I had to pull out through deep ruts that were probably like at least 15 inches. And I turned out perfect, but he was mad that I was only doing like 20 fucking miles an hour, bro. Like, fuck you. Do your job. Plow the streets. That's a main road, bro. It's not plowed. Hasn't been plowed yet. And he wants to tailgate. Nah, man. Fuck that. Go plow the motherfucker, bro, and put salt down, like, the fuck on my face, bro. For real, dude. But yeah, so I mean, I'm working right now. Who knows what this person doing? I'm working. I'm making money. That's the only reason I'm out. But it's getting to a point where they're not plowing, bro. This is fantastic. And that dude in his Jeep has to pull right in the middle of the road, so this way people can't swing out and avoid the plow ruts. He has to be right in the middle of the road. Nice Honda Accord tailgating me. Gotta love it. I can't bitch though. I was tailgating the other lady before, but I'm sliding all over the road, so I'm not trying to be speeding. Now we got another one, GMC Savannah, in the middle of the road, bro. Pushing me right over into the snowbank. And this sucks because now I got to stop far back so I don't get stuck in the red light up here. Look at that, right through it. Honda Accord. Stuck a Rooney Dooney, baby, let go. 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 Fuck, fuck out, you boy. Yes, sir. All right, we about to be at the crib.
Finally with the plow, boy.
Pennsylvania folks broke the PA 511 website. Well, that's no bueno.
Vehicles had block heaters plugged in.
Tim from Truckhouse Life. It's the reason I want to move to Alaska, man, so bad. Watching his video while it's snowing outside is actually really fucking awesome.
All right, so the roads are sort of plowed now. It's turned to a frozen rain. Wow, snow mode really does help, bro. But I got another order, $10. I just started cooking my lunch, dinner, breakfast because I haven't eaten in almost 20 hours now. Great. There's only one lane. The plow's plowed one lane, and we got traffic coming both ways on my side to side. That's not really plowed. I love it. But gonna go drop off this, go pick up this order, drop it off. Let's see if I could get through here easily. Gonna have to floor through here again. Unplowed still. Unplowed. Unplowed. This is crazy work, man. You just gotta hit it, bro. Like I'm doing, I'm just on the gas, just running through these ruts, man. Like it's crazy, bro, that I even have to hit the gas like that. I don't have to worry about this curve and people like this guy. I can't stop, bro. You better get out the road, dude. But we're almost there to pick this order up. This guy's just throwing the snow right back in the fucking road, bro. God, people are morons, bro. This has got to be. This is my last order, bro. I can't do nothing else until they plow. This is crazy. Like I'm on the gas, bro, in and out. Like I got to find a different way to come home. And I'm scared to stop at this fucking red light because I don't want to get fucking stuck, bro. And like if there weren't ruts, bro, I'd be screwed right now. I just clean this window off, too. That's crazy. Please don't let no one be coming. Wow, dude. And then this parking lot, of course, it's not plowed, bro. This is crazy, bro. Yeah, I'm stuck, man. This shit's crazy. Okay, so I got myself out. I got stuck, and I go in to pick up the order, and they're like, "Oh, the order is gone." And on my phone because I look at it, it's gone, right? So since the order was gone, I couldn't pick it up, and then it came back with an offer from another place, so it was a stack, and I just deleted the other offer off the stack and picked up this order again. I'm like, so now I'm delivering this order. So I hope it's the same amount because it's paying over $10. And I just got to be careful about driving. People cannot pull out in front of me because I'm not stopping. I'm not getting my car stuck. So you want to pull out in front of me, you're fucked. Um, they have not plowed anywhere, bro. What the fuck is this town doing, bro? Plow the fucking roads, man. But I'm gonna stop filming now. I'm trying to keep my speed going good so I don't get stuck again because that was like nothing. There was nothing there. It's like crazy. So almost there. This road was plowed. It looks plowed. When I pulled in here, it looked plowed, but it's like pulling me all over. So I think people, what they're doing is, yeah, they're shoveling all their snow and using a snowblower and throwing it into the fucking road again, which is kind of crazy, man. And this is a regular. Look at this guy, bro. Come on, dude. Just keep throwing it into the street, bro. Keep throwing it in the street, man. Fucking dickhead. But this is a daily customer, the one I told you orders at night sometimes, and yes, the cats. I can't really slow down, so I gotta hope that I can just keep it pushing here. And I know I gotta just keep it from. Look at this guy throwing it in the street again. It's gonna get me stuck, bro. What are you doing, man? Because people want to fucking throw this shit in the fucking street, bro. I can't stand this shit, bro. People want to keep throwing their snow in the fucking street, bro. I'm so sick of people, man. All because they had to throw snow in the street, bro. This is the last order I'm doing for the day. I'm not dealing with this again. This is nice, man. Yeah, it's the last order I'm doing for the day. I thought for sure it'd be plowed up by now. It's not though. All right. No problem. Have a good one. Have a good one. Thank you. Huh? I'll just say I handed it to you. Thank you. All right. So that was $14. So that was good. Now I just need to get back down this fucking road. You'd think that it would just follow my fucking ruts I just made, and it'd be easier to go down it. But no, it wants to be a dickhead. This is really just pissing me off, man. I'll stop filming now. When I get to the end of the road, I'll film. I got out of that, beating the shit out the car. Crazy to think, because assholes want to throw their snowblower snow in the middle of the fucking road, right? That one hit, that one bump slowed me down. I was getting enough speed to drive and go through that snow. That one bump from the snowblower, from the asshole throwing it in the snow, slowed me down, and I had to use snow mode, which works like 4x4, vice versa, throwing power to certain wheels and not other ones, right? Like sort of like 4x4 does, right? And it took me like 15 minutes to get to that road and back, whatever the fuck. And bro, if this fucking, and then I'm leaving, and then there's a plowed road, and this asshole fucking sees me go down that way, gets stuck, and he was throwing his snow into the road at this point. And then I come back, and there's like a fucking 2-foot high pile I plow right into, and it slowed me down. But thank God the road was plowed already, so I didn't get stuck. But it slowed me down, and dude, people are dumbasses. If you're going to snowblow, there is zero reason to throw the snow into the fucking street. Throw it on your fucking yard like a normal fucking human being, bro. I can't stand people, bro. Rant over, bro.
Man, you gotta love it, bro. Not being able to leave your neighborhood because plows did not plow at all. This is like from my neighbor who plowed for us, and like I can't get no traction right now. This sucks, mad dick. I made it out. Getting back should be a lot easier. There is like no way. I'm done. I'm turning around after this. Like DoorDash stopped its operation to shut everything down. I got a screen recording of that for you guys too. And it's just getting worse because it's all sleet now. It's not snow, so there is zero traction whatsoever. Like zero. So I'm hopefully seeing if 7-Eleven's open. I'm gonna get something to eat real quick, and then go there to some plows right there. Getting something to eat real quick, and then I'm going to hopefully go home for the night, and that's it, because DoorDash shut down everything else. So I don't know what to do because I can't get in there. They're closed too. So I've never seen town this bad, bro. At least being able to drive out into it with a car like this. Like, usually it's I had to flash that guy because he was trying to get in the middle of the fucking lane. There's only one lane, bro. There's literally two enough for 2 cars on each side. That's it. And this guy's just in the fucking middle, bro. Like, you gotta move the fuck over, people. Jesus Christ, bro. You think people would know how to drive in the snow? They don't, though. If there's enough for 2 cars, it doesn't matter which side of the road it's on. If there's enough for 2 cars, automatically it becomes a 2-lane road, bro, and they're gonna have to move the fuck over, period. So there was nowhere for me to turn around at, so I'm hoping this Wawa is open and it's safely able to be entered, so I could fucking go in there turn around there because I've not been able to turn around anywhere yet. Alright, absolute bad day to be getting stuck. I just got stuck trying to do one last DoorDash at Wawa, and I didn't film none of that because some guy, I don't have a shovel with me. I don't know why I didn't bring one. I wasn't expecting to go this far, but there was nowhere to turn around at, and even there was no good spot to turn around at. I just hit it going fast. I don't know if I filmed that part or not, and I got bottomed down. Thank God some dude in a truck with a shovel came and helped me out, and I was able to get out. And because plows just came and caused that barrier, right? And 2 trucks went through fine and made it look appear lower than it actually is, and it's not. So I go in there, I take money out of my account because I need money, and what's it called, fucking, when I'm leaving, I'm like, yo, I might get stuck again because there is no way out of this place. They just plowed everyone in here. And thank God a few trucks went through the spot that another exit, and I got out that way. And then as I'm passing this, another lady is stuck in the same spot with 3 dudes. So I figured, oh, she got 3 dudes there. She's good to go, you know. Hopefully they have a shovel because I didn't have one, so I couldn't help them out. But yeah, fucking crazy day. It's the last time I'm going out. DoorDash is closed. This town has done nothing with plowing other than crappy half plowing main roads. So this is truly, at this time, I'm not going out again. This guy is doing 10 miles an hour. He is going to get me stuck, man, because there are some deep rivets up here coming up. And his little 10 miles an hour is going to get me stuck, man. This is why I can't stand driving behind certain people in the snow. Oh, man, what are you doing, man? I mean, I can't go out if I wanted to because I really don't have gas now. So this guy better not make me stop. He's plowing up here. You better not back up and make me stop because I'm not getting stuck again. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Peace. Darnold's going to the fucking Super Bowl, bro. How do them Viking fans feel now? Talking all that shit last season. We don't want him. We want JJ. Now he's in a fucking Super Bowl. I'm a Jeff fan, so I can't talk shit either. But still, you guys had him at a 14-win season. I'm glad I came in here now, bro. I'm filming a video for YouTube about the snow, man. Bro, this is empty, man. Crazy. Empty. I've never seen a Walmart this empty.
Snowy test drive and Winter Storm Jonas in the 1992 Lexus. Took me an hour to dig out of a foot of snow. I figured I'd hit it at like 20, and had to shovel the whole underside of the car to get out. Shit got stuck quick. Got some shit tires in here. They did a shit plow job, but I mean, I'm getting around right now, so as long as I don't get stuck again, I'll be straight. It's just a quick vid for you guys, show you Winter Storm Jonas in the 92 Lexus. Now, I'm the only one out right now on the road. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We lost power at 8 and it came back on at about 10. We're gonna have to figure out where to turn around at because I'm not trying to get fucking stuck again. I don't even got a shovel with me. Almost got stuck right there too. See if the 7-Eleven's open. Turn around right here if I can. This guy's just chilling in the middle of the road. Was gonna go down there for you guys, but it looks like I'm not. Wow, almost got stuck right there too. See if I can make it down this road right here. Should be able to. You got it. There's already about 15 inches of snow, and we got like another foot coming according to weather. Alright, this isn't good. I'm gonna have to hit this quick or I'm stuck. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to hit this in reverse to get back out the street. So remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and enjoy guys. If I get stuck, I'll film another.
Breaking news, Liam's Lexus Build 2 got motion.